message is very clear that in spirit and soul, Indian Army and the people of Kashmir are together. It was 75 years back when the journey started after the finality of the accession to India by the Jammu and Kashmir. And since then, journey goes on, wherein in 1965, in 1971, in 1999, in Kargil, and in last about 30 years, when the enemy across has sworn to carry out operations against us with 1,000 cuts, both the people of Kashmir and Indian Army have fought and always come out victorious. This is also indication of future. This bond will never break. And that was it was important to retell the story. It is also very important that the story, especially the background, how the entire events unfolded to come to this charting operations, is a grim reminder for the youth today that need to understand the history. What happened then, what their forefathers endured and saw, and therefore be aware and protect themselves for a better future from machinations of such an enemy, which is very devious, which will use all platforms to reach out and ensure that you are misled and destroyed. Please remember that Kashmir has always been a tool to strike at the idea of India and not the end for the enemy across.
Lieutenant General,
Strategy remains the same. They used Qabilis along with the Pak Army to come across. They did the same thing, similar thing in 65, used civilian face. In 1999, they proclaimed that the civilians who had crossed, or Mujahideen had crossed across the line of control in Kargil, in the heights of Kargil Daraz. Imagine, they did not even claim the dead, and which was known later on and confirmed to the entire world that it was a Pakistani army personnel who had crossed off the LC. We need to be aware of the designs in which people have always become tool for our enemies, and therefore we have to guard against this strategy which is being leashed upon us by the enemy.
sir,
No, all ladies and women are equal. It's a gender equality channel. Yeah, somebody else. Yeah.
आज के इवेंट के बारे में बताइए सर.
Okay, today is Charlatang Day. As you're well aware, this is the first military operation, a major turning point, 75 years back, which was executed to perfection by Brigadier L.P. Sen. Also, it was the most important air-landed operation of independent India. Please understand, as I said in my speech, that the success of this operation would have not been possible without the existence and the bravery of the Kashmiri population, who possibly, after having watched the perfidy exerted upon them in terms of the loot plunder which happened in Baramulla, Muzaffarabad and beyond, they understood the game, and thereafter they rallied along with the Indian Army to ensure that the landings were safe. They were adequately provided with transport and all the other assistance which are required in terms of guidance to ensure that the Pakistani forces were evicted. So I feel that this was a win. This was a victory jointly achieved by the people of Kashmir and the Indian Army. And therefore it is important to retell the story 75 years after, from the ground zero where we stand today, where all this happened.